Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. How are you, children? How are you doing? Did you have your breakfast? Okay, children, how many children have eaten fruits in the morning? Yeah, some of you have eaten fruits. No. Which fruits did you eat today? Banana, apple. Okay, very good. Children, someone likes banana very much. Do you know who is that? I'll give you a clue. This is an animal who likes banana very much. Do you know who is that? Yeah, of course, monkey. Okay, children, now I'm here with a beautiful story of monkeys. The name of our lesson is The Monkeys Go on a Fast. What's fast? Did you hear fast? Okay, children, all of you know that because we all are taking fasting in the month of Ramadan. So, that is the same meaning of fasting. Okay, children, now I am going through the lesson. All of you have to take the textbook and now I am reading the lesson. All of you have to listen well. Okay. Once upon a time, a group of monkeys decided to go on a fast. They said that they had eaten too much. They had been to a garden close by and eaten many guavas. They were full. When they were about to begin the fast, the head monkey said, "Let's first collect some bananas to eat when we break the fast." Okay, children, once upon a time, a group of monkeys were there. These decided to take fast. They said that they had eaten too much. They had been to go a garden and close by and eaten so many guavas. Then they started their fasting. And the head monkey told that to collect some bananas because at the time of breaking we want that. So the head monkey told the other monkeys to collect some bananas. I think all of you understood the first paragraph. Now let's go through the second paragraph. "Oh yes," said the other monkeys. They sent a big and strong monkey to collect many hands of bananas. He went to a fruit seller and carried away all the bananas from his shop. In the second paragraph, we can see the head monkey told the strong and big monkey to collect a handful of banana from the fruit seller. Like that, the big and strong monkey went to the fruit seller to collect the banana. Understood? After a while, the big monkey said, "Let's give everyone a banana so that when the fast ends, we waste no time in giving out bananas." The other monkeys agreed and the big monkey gave each one of them a banana. The monkeys kept their bananas carefully beside eating the bananas. The head monkey told that, "Let's give everyone a banana." Because when we are giving that banana, everyone can keep with them and at the time of breaking the fasting, we can save the time. Then every monkey agreed that. Okay, then they started to distribute the banana to all. Now, children, listen here. Then a tiny monkey said, "Why don't we peel our banana and keep it ready for eating?" When the fast ends, the other monkeys agreed. So the monkeys began to peel the bananas. They threw the skin on the road as monkeys do. Then what did they do? The tiny monkey, the small monkey told, "Okay, we all got banana. But it's better to peel out the banana and keep with us because when we are doing like no need to waste the time by peeling the banana." So the tiny monkey told like that. Everyone agreed for it. Understood? Then another monkey said, "Let us put one bite in our mouths, but we will not gulp it now." A second monkey agreed with him and added, "That will save time." Then another monkey told what? Then another monkey told that, "Okay, it's better to keep a piece of banana in our mouth because when we are doing like that, we can save the time. There is no need to cut and eat at the time of breaking the fasting." Did you understand, children? It's a good idea, no? Then let's go through the coming paragraph. Aren't you ready? Then all the monkeys said, "Yes, let's do that." So the monkeys took one bite of the banana and kept it in their mouths. Then all monkeys agreed it and they told, oh, it's better. Let's keep a piece of banana in our mouth. Then we can save the time. Okay, children. After getting the banana in their mouth, the head monkey started to eat the banana. He looked everyone. Now anyone is looking at me? No, no one was looking at him. That time he started to eat the banana. The same thing the other monkeys also did. They also started to eat banana. Then they forgot that they were going on a fasting. Did you understand, children? It's a very nice story, no? Now I am summarizing up the story. You listen here, children. Once upon a time, a group of monkeys were there. They decided to take fasting, and the head monkey told to take banana, a handful of banana from the near shop, and to keep with them. One of the monkeys went to the fruit seller and took a handful of banana and kept with them. That time the head monkey told it's better to distribute the banana to others. Then when we are distributing like that, it will save the time at the time of breaking the fasting. They did like that. Then after getting the banana, one of the monkey, the tiny monkey, told that it's better to peel out the banana and keep with us. Then they agreed that, and everyone did like that, peeled and kept with them. But one of the monkeys told that it's better to take a bite and keep in your mouth a piece of banana. Then everyone also agreed. Everyone took a piece of banana in their mouth and they kept. But after reaching the banana in their mouth, the head monkey started to eat. Then others also followed the same thing. They forgot that they were going on a fasting. Did you understand the lesson? Children, now let's go through the exercise part. Okay.